Just a quick update on the Armour 2S, which I've actually been using as my main phone, including shooting some video. And the other day I went to Netley Shore and shot some video there, and only when I was editing it did I notice something really weird in the video. So I'll play this back so you can actually hear what I heard. Okay, so we're up here in the woods above the shore. Now that's where we walked down earlier. Down there there's a sharp drop off just beyond these trees, and there's a remnant of a garden wall here. So in the left channel of the audio there's a sort of chattering electronic noise. Now I know what that is. That's RF interference, because I've heard that sort of thing before when you put a mobile phone near a radio or an amplifier. So something, I think probably inside the phone, is interfering with one of the microphones. Now interestingly, it's only on the left channel, so I was able to rescue that video by dropping the left channel and duplicating the right channel, so essentially turning it into a mono video, which is acceptable for what I needed anyway. But we've actually got problems recording on the left channel on this phone, and I think I know why. I think that little hole there is the left microphone. I think the right microphone is in that aperture there, and I think this left microphone here is too close to one of the antennas for either Bluetooth or the GSM antenna or the 4G antenna or something else like that, or maybe the Wi-Fi antenna, not sure. But I think this microphone is picking up some interference from one of the internal antennas here. So a bit of a problem that is. It can be overcome, of course, by putting the phone into airplane mode while we're filming. Or of course we can do what I did, which is drop the left channel completely and duplicate the right channel. Stereo audio on a video that's been recorded on a smartphone is a bit of a gimmick anyway, really, and not really necessary in my opinion. So I thought I'd just let you know, because that's the first time I've actually come across this shortcoming on a smartphone. In fact, what I'll do is I'll just play that clip back again when I'll drop the right channel so you can actually hear exactly what it is. Maybe actually somebody listening can tell me exactly what kind of interference that is, because I know that different kinds of radio protocols make different noises. Okay, so we're up here in the woods above the shore. Now that's where we walked down earlier. Down there there's a sharp drop off just beyond these trees, and there's a remnant of a garden wall here. So if anybody knows what that is, then I'd be really interested to know, because maybe that's just the one service that I need to turn off when I'm using video on this phone without taking it into full aeroplane mode. So I hope that little update is useful. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.